Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share a campaign, a dynamic video campaign through Apollo, but in sequences. Okay, so as you can see, I have my campaign already processed. If you do not know how to do this, no worries, I'll leave a link below so you can know how to process or how to start or to create a dynamic video campaign for the first time. But right now, let us actually jump to what actually are here for. So as you can see, all the videos are fine, and what I'll do is simply go ahead and click on Share Campaign and look for Apollo, okay? So we'll leave this ready here and let us actually jump into Apollo right now. And I'll start by going here to sequences on the left, and then I can click on new sequence. Okay. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on from scratch, and I'll put here new sequence. Okay, leave it like that. Create. Okay, and we'll add a step, of course. And in my case, I'll put an automatic email and click on immediately after the contact is added to sequence. So that's perfect. Let us click on continue. Now let us go back to dynamic videos and click here to copy the code. Okay, and I can simply go Command V here, or of course Control V if you're on a Windows computer. Remember to move this to the bottom, and that way, of course, will look perfect. Okay, so I'll actually put a subject before, and I'll put here testing 101. That'll be enough. So let me save that. And everything looks fine. Let me now go ahead and jump into contacts and click on add contacts, upload CSV file. So one thing to keep in mind here is that, let me actually close this for a minute, is that the CSV file that we are using is not the one that we use to create, of course, the campaign, but the one that we are now actually getting after the videos have been processed through this button here, download CSV file, okay? So I already did that, and let me go ahead and select it now. And this one is called 3DB, perfect. Okay, you'll also get this message right away, which tells you that there's a field that cannot be matched and or mapped, which is fine because we don't actually need anything other than the email, company name, job title, and first name. So, yep, we don't actually need the background URL for this process. Okay, so just scroll down and go to import. Yes, and now we can wait a little bit here. Yep, everything's fine. So let us go to sequences again, and we can now turn this on and let us actually access. And this is active, so we're actually good. So as you can see right now, we have 3 emails being scheduled. If we go to emails, we should be able to see them right here. They're scheduled and on track. So this, of course, will just take a moment here. And in the meantime, I'll pause the video until I get the emails so I can show you how everything works, okay? Okay, we're back now, and it seems that I already received here the email that I was waiting for. And of course, it has the background that I was expecting for this one, for Dan at SensePark.com. So as you can see, of course, it has the SensePark website on the back, and that's what I have right here at Dan at SensePark.com. And here's the Hey Dan, and here's the background that I was expecting. I did send 2 other emails to another 2 secondary email accounts, but this is the one that we wanted here for Dan at sensepart.com. Anyway, if you're testing this out for the first time, of course, you might want to try what I just did, which is basically sending emails to yourself. And we can see you don't have to actually wait until you get the email. You can always go to emails here. I was sending an overview, but you can go to emails and simply click on the email you want to test. And as you can see, it will actually show you how it looks like. Okay, so yep, there we go. This is the one for Dan at sensepart.com. Okay, so everything works fine. You can always click there and it will, of course, take you to the right landing page. The same thing here if you click it. So let me show you what happens here. So, hey Dan, I made this video for you. I love what SensePark does. So those are variables that I used here, sorry, that I used right here. Hey, first name, I made this video for you. I love what? Company name or your company, which is the fallback text, does. Okay, so that's what we have here. Okay, hey Dan, I made this video for you. I love what SensePark does. Okay, so that's all for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.